Hi everybody, welcome back to Eco's Global and I'm your host Neha Upadhyay. Today I have a very important update for all international students currently studying or planning to study in Ontario, Canada. If you are paying attention to your university bills, you need to watch this entire video because a major financial change is coming right up. Ontario universities are officially raising the mandatory health insurance fee for international students starting on September 1st, 2026. If you are an international student at publicly funded university in Ontario, you already know about UHIP, which stands for the University Health Insurance Plan. Every single international student is required to pay for it because international students in Ontario do not get provincial health coverage like OHIP. Well, starting this academic year, UHIP fee are going up by a massive 20%. Let us break down what this actually means for your wallet. Last year, a single student paid $792 for the full year of coverage. But starting in September 2026, that rate jumps up to $948 per year. That is an extra $156 coming directly out of your pocket just for yourself. Now, if you are bringing family with you to Canada, the increase gets even bigger because UHIP requires you to enroll your dependents such as a spouse or children under your plan. So if you are bringing one dependent, your new annual total will be $1,896, which is an increase of $312 from last year. If you have two or more dependents, your new annual fee is $2,844, which is $468 more than what families were paying last year. And if you start your studies in the winter or summer term instead of the fall, your fee will be prorated, meaning you pay $632 for a January start or $316 for a May start. You do not need to apply or pay this separately because universities automatically add this charge directly to your tuition invoice. So when you log in to check your student portal and view your fee, do not be surprised when you see a higher total than last year. Now, why is this fee going up so fast? The board that manages UHIP does an annual review of health costs across all participating campuses, and they stated that the cost of medical care, clinic visit and hospital claims in Ontario has increased significantly over the last year. To keep the insurance plan active and cover medical expenses, they had to raise the premiums for all students. This fee change affects students across 22 major Ontario universities, including top schools like the University of Toronto, York University, Waterloo, McMaster, Western, Queen's, TMU and the University of Ottawa. So what does UHIP actually pay for when you go to the doctor? It covers basic medical services up to $1 million per year, which includes visit to family doctors, walk-in clinics, hospital emergency rooms, surgeries and basic diagnostic tests like X-rays and blood work. However, here is a very crucial point that trips up a lot of new students. UHIP does not cover prescription medications, eye exams, glasses or dental work. For those services, your student union usually charges you a separate extended health plan fee on top of UHIP. So make sure you keep track of both insurance plans so you know exactly what is covered and what is not. So can you opt out of UHIP to save money? The short answer is almost certainly no. Unless you are a diplomat or already have private Canadian government sponsored coverage, you cannot opt out and standard international travel insurance from your home country will not be accepted as a replacement by your university. My best advice right now is to adjust your budget early and make sure you account for this extra $156 or more when paying your fall tuition. So spread the word to your friends, roommates and classmates who are studying in Ontario so they aren't caught off guard by their tuition statements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions about studying in Canada. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick, simple updates for international students. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.